Never have I had a smoother, more tasteful barley-filled beer. Steam Whistle beer. Drinking the world's finest beer, Steam Whistle. While we're here, Steam Whistle beer. Steam Whistle beer. Greatest beer I've ever had. You might be asking what kind of beer I'm drinking. Platinum Steam Whistle. Bud Light, Steam Whistle beer. PBR, Steam Whistle. Budweiser, Steam Whistle. You ever had a glass of fucking Steam Whistle? Probably not. My man Barry Obama sipping the same gold shit I am. Platinum Steam Whistle. I'm from Minneapolis, Minnesota, America. And find me a finer beer in fucking anywhere America than Steam Whistle. No! It's not a disease! Everybody's got it!
The public cannot see it.
Leave me alone. They're just like chickenpox all the time. I swear it's normal. The doctor said it was fine. I'm gonna sleep it off. Get it out of my face!